Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the KTM 450 EXC, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This KTM 450 EXC motocross replica comes in a clamshell and card type packaging. So as you can see on this top corner of the packaging, you will see the Adventure Force branding along with the write-up. And on the bottom corner, you will see the Maisto logo. And finally on the back of the packaging, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is standard with the Maisto motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this KTM motocross motorcycle replica comes with a black chassis, which is pretty much the color scheme all throughout this model, along with some signature KTM orange accents with some amazing graphics, decals and KTM branding. This replica comes with a steerable front fork that comes with a well-detailed headlight which seamlessly flows into an all-silver handlebar with hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers. Moving down is an orange and black motocross front fender that wraps around a beautiful chrome alloy style wheel and an off-road motocross rubber tire with a single disc brake unit. So moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and has some awesome carbon fiber like decals with the KTM logo in white on both sides. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt which has an awesome gunmetal finish with a single motocross style exhaust with the rest of the midsection components in silver. The side shields are painted orange as well with the KTM EXC branding on both sides that are prominent. And talking about the seats, it's a standard motocross seat which is in black that really flows with this KTM motocross motorcycle replica. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front, which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. Well, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the KTM 450 EXC, and I'm glad I got my hands on it so I could add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a KTM enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed KTM 450 EXC replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this KTM motocross motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for the functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the KTM 450 EXC coming up. The KTM 450 EXC is a 4-stroke enduro off-road motorcycle made by KTM. The models are the European Road Legal 400 EXC and 450 EXC, the US 450 Close Ratio XC and the 450 Wide Ratio XCW. The European EXC versions have a small headlight, speedometer, tail light and somewhat softer likeness rear suspension, and the US EXC is 50 states street legal. The factory RFS, which is the racing 4-stroke KTM 400 EXC, won the 1999 World Enduro Championship. The 2000 RFS KTM 400 EXC had a right side kickstart but also had a e-start button. KTM took a different approach to the configuration of the motor than most other manufacturers. While others used a 90mm plus bow piston with a very short stroke of 60mm, the KTM RFS motor used a 89mm into 64mm buoy configuration, which provided more torque at the expense of higher RPMs. And for further information on the KTM 450 EXC, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing KTM 450 EXC replica, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing KTM diecast replica. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and this is much appreciated. So kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And also please do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and please do check out the rest of the 118 Scale Diecast Motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this Diecast Motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.